Ekitongole eki nikiweera abantu abeeteeraine hamwe omu bibiina obu barikubashomesa oku bakubaasa kwetungura hamwe n'okubombekera za tanka z'amaizi okubahweraho ibura ry'amaizi kandi nibaza kutandikira omu muruka gwa Kamukaki erikushangwa omu gomborora ya Karungu. Abeebembezi ba disitulikiti ya Bweju bashabira ab'ekitongole eki kubasayininga endagaano erikubiikiriza kukora okuhina ngu omurimo gwabo gukagyenda omu maisho.
Then after signing, the RBC gets a copy, one in my office, another one in SCAR. I think by that time, we will understand exactly what you are going to do.
These are not government organizations. They operate in government. And when operate in your own government, obviously you must operate with an understanding with the government. They are done according to the rule. That is why we sign MOUs. We agree on which terms. Obviously, project at the end of that period, there must be an outcome.
Oliver Nakawesa, or project officer nagira ngu bwanyuma yo kusayininga endagaano nibija kuba nibahwera abantu ba Kamukaki na tanka na munongo mu mashomero omu makanisa hamwe n'omu maka g'abantu.
Okay? Mukatangiza zo kutulenda tuzikora nitubiza kuba ntulingana amakazi, abashiija, abalema, abazeeyi, abakiikuru omu gurupu. Waza kuza kubenefitinga mu project yito yakoze omu gurupu. So nibiza kuba nibaza omu gurupu yokutandika abantu 15 mpaka abantu 30. So bakora kuza omu gurupu nibiza kuzayo nitugerageza gurupu nabyo kwashimwa abantu mu gurupu kwashimwa abantu basevinga kandi omu gurupu zikwezo
Gashaka Juliet Charsimwa.